What's up, guys? This is Yao here. You're welcome to another lesson right here on LearnAkan.com. So last week we looked at 10 must-know tree phrases for learners and tourists, and that was to be a part 2 to an earlier lesson that had 25 must-know tree phrases. If you missed any of those, please click on this link to go check them out, or check the description box further below for the links. So having observed the format of last week's lesson, I thought it best to change this into a series. Yes, because observing the format of last week's lesson, I realized not only are you getting some quick tree phrases to get by easily the next time that you're in Ghana, you are also getting to learn some vocabulary items as you go, because I break the phrases down to their component words. And you also get to have a fair idea of the structure of our phrases because I break them down. So having turned this into a series, today's lesson is going to be the part 3 in the series, and this time around we are looking at 11 must-know tree phrases. Do get yourself ready. The lesson starts right after this. Memao akwaba. So let's jump right to the first one, and we have nya abotre. Nya abotre. Nya abotre. Nya abotre. Kwame, nya abotre. Akusia, nya abotre. So we have the verb nya, which literally means to get. Okay, but within this context, we can see this as to have, all right, have. And then we have abotre, which is the noun patience. So nya abotre means have patience, calm down, all right? Nya abotre, nya abotre. Sometimes you also say this as si abotre, si abotre, si abotre. So you can use any of them, it works, all right? To the next one, we have Ewurade Nyankopon. Ewurade Nyankopon. Ewurade Nyankopon. Hey, Ewurade Nyankopon. Ewurade Nyankopon. So this is just we combining two names for God in exclamation. All right, so Ewurade means God. So this is one of the names for God. We have Ewurade, and we have Nyankopon, which is also one of the names that we give to God. So we have Ewurade, God, Nyankopon, God. So we use this to sort of express what you have in English as, oh my God, okay, to express regret, surprise, and all that. Sometimes you also use Eja Wajo. Eja wajo. Eja wajo. Hey, eja wajo. Eja wajo. So you can use Ewurade Nyankopon or eja wajo. Let's go to the next one. We have wo tiri nkwa. Wo tiri nkwa. Wo tiri nkwa. Utrinkwa. So the wo here is the possessive adjective yo, which means whatever comes after this will be possessed by the referent of the possessive adjective. Okay, so what is coming next here is tiri, and tiri is the head. Okay, and then we have nkwa, which is life. So on the literal lines, utrinkwa means life on your head. So you get it. Okay, so we have utrinkwa, utrinkwa, utrinkwa. To the next one, we have kosoa na koso. 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 I think this is in a song. Yeah, it's in a gospel song by OJ. You should check it out. It's a very nice piece. So we have kosoa na koso. So the ko here is what? Go. Okay, go. And then we have so, which is on. Okay, so koso, go on, all right? And then the ara, which in pronunciation in this changes to ah because of the glide over the all right? So we hardly say koso ara, if ever. We hardly say koso ara. We would mostly say kosoa, all right? Kosoa. This ara changes the action of the going on, the koso, into some sort of continuous action, okay, a repeated action. So it means you don't do it once, you keep doing it, you keep going on. All right, that is what the function of this ara is in this context. And then we have the na, which is the conjunction end, and then koso, again, go on. So we have kosoa na koso. Kosoa na koso. Kosoa na koso. To the next one, we have waye adie. Waye adie. Waye adie. Waye adie. Kwajo. Waye adie. So we have the wo, which is you. And then we have the a in the middle, which is the perfect aspect marker. So this shows that the action of the verb that will follow this is complete. All right, so this is what translates in English as have. All right, and then we have ye, which means to do, the action verb to do. All right, so waye, you have done. All right, so it means the action of doing is complete. And then we have adie, which means a thing, okay, a thing or something. So waye adie literally means you've done something. Okay, so we use this to say you've done well and encourage people. Okay, so waye adie. Waye adie. Waye adie. Let's go to the next one. We have saying na yeka dash wachimu. Saying na yeka wachimu. Saying na yeka wachimu. So this is very important. Saying na yeka wachimu. So obviously you have to fill in the space, the placeholder with the word that you are looking for the tree name to in whichever language that you know. So for example, if you are looking for the tree name for say cap, then you have to put in the word cap in the space provided, and then you have saying na yeka cap wachimu. Saying na yeka cap wachimu. By the way, what is the tree name for cap? Yeah, put it in the comment section below. I'll check them. If you don't know, please check on mytreedictionary.com for it and then come back and put it in the comment section below. Okay, so let's break this down. We have saying, which is how, all right? Saying how. And then we have na, and this na is interesting. So if you put this na after a word or group of words, you are saying it is or it was the reference of the word or group of words that came before. Okay, so for example, if I say Kofi na Akan, okay, Kofi na Akan, I'm saying it was Kofi who said it. Okay, Kofi na Akan, it was Kofi who said it. All right, if I say eduarda na meba, I'm saying it is Monday that I will come. Okay, so it is on Monday that I will come. Eduarda na meba. So we have saying na, which literally will mean it is how. Okay, literally, it is how. And then we have ye from yen, which is the subject pronoun we. All right, and then we have ka, which means to say. Ka, to say. And then we have the dash, so you fill in, the word that you're looking for in this placeholder. And then we have wo, which is the to be verb for location. Okay, so if I say, for example, me wo ha. Okay, me wo ha. It means I am here. So the to be verb of location is the wo. If I say onyankopon wo ho, I'm saying God is there. All right, God exists. So this wo is the location to be verb. So this to be verb form is used to describe the location stroke existence of something or people. All right, so we have that wo here, and then we have chi, and then we have mu, which is in. All right, so in all we have sena yeka dash wo chi mu. We are also able to say this with the third person plural subject pronoun one instead of the first person plural subject pronoun yen. Okay, so instead of saying that yeka dash wo chi mu, we can also say saying that woka dash wo chi mu. The same thing. Okay, saying that woka dash wo chi mu. To the next one we have wenya me. Wenya me. Wenya me. Hey, wenya me. Wenya me. Wenya me. So again, we have the wo as you, right? And then we have the a in the middle, which is the perfect aspect marker. This means that the action of whichever verb that will follow is complete. All right, so again, this is what translates in English as the have and the has. All right, and then we have the verb nya, which we identified earlier as being what? Get, okay, to get. And then we have the object pronoun me, which is me. So in all, literally, wenyame means you have gotten me. Okay, wenyame. Wenyame. To the next one, we have ekom deme. Ekom deme. Ekom deme. Ekom deme. Ekom deme. Ekom deme. Hey, ekom demio. Ekom demio. So we have ekom as the noun hunger. Okay, and then we have de, which as a two-letter word, you should know it comes with several meanings. But within this context, de means to own. Okay, to own. And then we have the object pronoun me, me. So ekom deme literally means hunger owns me. Okay, so at the moment, hunger owns me. I can't do anything about it. So we use this to say that I'm hungry. All right, ekom deme. Ekom deme. Ekom deme. To the next one, we have emfa ho. Emfa ho. Emfa ho. Emfa ho. Emfa ho. Emfa ho. So we have the first e coming from eno, which is the subject pronoun it. Okay, and then we have the which is the negative marker here, which means whichever verb that follows this will be in the negative form. All right, so the verb here is fa, and fa means to pass. Okay, to pass. So I can say maame no fa ha. Okay, maame no fa ha. I can say mframa no bofa ha. Mframa no bofa ha. Okay, so this fa is to pass. All right, and we have ho, and ho is around. Okay, so around something. So if I use the same example with the wind, I can say mframa no bofa me ho. Mframa no bofa me ho. So the wind blew and passed or circulated around me. Okay, so we have mframa no bofa me ho. So emfa ho literally means it doesn't pass around it. Okay, it doesn't pass around it, and we use this to say it doesn't matter. So emfa ho, emfa ho, emfa ho. This leads us to the next one, which is emfa me ho, 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 emfa me ho. So again, the is from eno, the subject pronoun it, and then we have the which is the negative marker, which means whichever verb comes after this will be in the negative form. And then the verb here is fa, which we said is to pass. Okay, and then we have me, which is the possessive adjective my, which means whatever is coming next will be possessed by the reference of the possessive adjective. So what we have coming next here is ho, which we said is around within this context. All right, so in all, the literal meaning of emfa me ho will be on the lines of it doesn't pass around me. All right, so whatever it is that is going on, it doesn't pass around me for me to care. I don't care. Okay, emfa me ho, emfa me ho, emfa me ho, emfa me ho. Right, to the last one for today, and we have mabre, 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 mabre. Hey, mabre. So we have the from me, which is the subject pronoun I, and then we have the a, which again is the perfect aspect marker, which means whichever verb that follows this, the action of that verb is complete. All right, so the verb here is bre, which means to tire. Okay, so mabre means I am tired. Okay, so I'm tired. We have mabre, mabre, mabre. Right, so this is where we end today's lesson. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I hope to see you around when I post my next video. But until then, please stay safe, and it's bye from me.